everyone! Welcome to Shriya's Craft Corner. My name is Shriya and I'm a junior at Okemos High School. One of my favorite activities is origami and I love to run. Today we are going to be making an origami crane. You're going to need a whole sheet of paper and a pair of scissors for the beginning. Let's get started! In the first step, we're going to be folding our rectangular paper into a square. You're going to fold the upper right-hand corner towards the bottom. It should make a triangle shape just like mine. Make sure the bottom of the triangle aligns with the bottom of the paper. Make sure to crease the paper so that it sits as flat as possible on your desk. For the next step, you're going to need your scissors. We're going to cut along this line and try to make it as straight as possible, but don't worry if it's not perfect. Voila! We now have a square piece of paper that we can use to make our origami crane. The next step is to fold the top side of our paper, hamburger style, to the bottom of our paper. Remember to try your best. These lines don't have to be perfect. Now, after you finish folding your paper, you can reopen your paper. The next fold is going to be hot dog style, from the left side of your paper to the right side. Once you finish that fold, you can reopen your paper. Now, fold the top right corner to the bottom left corner. Reopen your paper and fold the top left corner to the bottom right corner. This fold is a little tricky, so feel free to pause the video. Now that we've finished all of our fundamental folds, for the next step, you're going to fold the bottom right corner to the bottom left corner, as shown. After you put the corners together, fold the paper this way. Once you've gotten this general shape, you're ready for the next step. You're going to fold the bottom right corner to the bottom left corner again, but this time you're going to be creating a square. Try to get the diagonal line aligned with the bottom left corner. If you folded it correctly, this is what it should look like on the inside. Now readjust the paper to look like a rhombus, with the open flaps on the bottom. It's important that you are folding in the correct direction. Now fold the edge of the right side towards the center line. Make sure that you're creating a smaller triangle like the one I'm making. It does not have to be perfect, so don't worry if it doesn't completely align with the center line. We're going to do the same thing, but with the left edge. Move it to the center line and create a smaller triangle just like the one shown below. After you finish folding this side, you can flip it over and do the same thing with the other side. After both sides look like this, you're ready for the next step. Now you can open up the flaps and open up this side of the rhombus. Now fold the right edge into the center area of the rhombus. You should follow the lines that you created and fold it in. And you're going to do the same thing to the other side as well. You're going to fold the left edge into the rhombus towards the center and press along those lines so it will look a bit like this. Now you're going to flip it over to the other side and repeat the same process. Open up the flaps, fold the right edge into the center, and then fold the left edge into the center. So you end up with this shape. Now, using the legs that can move apart, you're going to fold the right side into the center again, and this time create this triangle. And you're going to repeat with the left edge and move it to the center and create this triangle. After you're done, flip it over and do the same thing on the other side. Once both sides look like this, we can move on to the final step. Now you're going to turn it over to its left side and open it up. Then you're going to fold the bottom leg into the flap you just opened. And then you're going to close that flap and repeat for the other side. Open it up and then push the bottom leg into that flap. Now you're going to turn it over on its side and you can bend the tip of that leg into a crane face. And then open up the wings, fold them out a little bit, and now you have your crane. Thanks for watching! I hope this was helpful to make an origami crane, and I hope you had fun. Make sure to check out the books in your school library and keep learning, especially through these hard times.